What's going on, everybody? This is Diamond DeFi here. I'm back with another video, guys. I got to talk about this new amazing platform. It's been out a while now, but it's really making waves in the DeFi space. And I want to share it with y'all. It's called Aintuition. They do some things in like the gaming space, but they're really innovative opportunity using advanced AI to basically like win against the gaming companies, and they have been very successful. But even more importantly, they are paying out, and there are a lot of big time investors in this company, and they are a registered company in Canada. So I'm just sharing with y'all that this opportunity is very good. I'm growing a team over here, but I haven't shared it yet on my channel, but just sharing it now. So they've been out probably since June of 2025. I heard about it in like October, decided to actually join up and give it a real opportunity. So just to show you my progress since I've joined, I'll get in here. Just to show you my progress, right? So that they have a number of different plans that they offer right now, and the one that I think can really impact your life like this year is this 5% DJAC plan, where you get 5% a day, Monday through Friday, but you don't get your money back. But they run that plan for 100 business days. Now, what I like about this plan is that what you can do is you can basically like reinvest your profits. You can reinvest your profits, and you can have as many plans as you like, right? They don't limit you to like how many plans. You can have as many plans as you like. And yeah, they are a real company, and they're coming out with utilities. They just launched their NFT. I bought a couple of their NFTs, and they give you like special privileges. So I have a bronze NFT and a silver NFT. And what you're able to do is you can get access to exclusive deposits, which is what I primarily want to do. But this one, I got this one that's 5.5% for 14 days. Now at the time, I thought, I can invest in this plan as many times as you want. You can't. Okay. This one is you only can do it one time. But once you mint the NFT, you get access to these special plans. So of course, everybody wants these gold plans, but you got to have at least 100,000 minimum to get into them. So their advice is like, hey, when you get access to these, put the maximum in there. And there are people putting $1 million. I've seen people put $5 million invested, and they're doing this. They're doing this. So let me show y'all the most popular plan, right? The NFTs can get a little advanced for some people. If you don't know how to purchase the NFT, I will show a video of how you guys can do it at a later date. So let's look at the most popular plan. All right, so you go over here to invest. This is the plan, y'all. This is the game-changing plan right here. This Infinity DJAC. Now, I've already bought some plans, but as you all can see, the minimum here is $500. And so what I'm going to do on this Sunday, I will post a link of a Zoom call. I'm going to teach y'all, if you want to show up, it's up to you. I'm not going to give it away here on YouTube. I want people who are dedicated to learning and wanting to educate themselves. So I'm going to have a live Zoom call on Sunday. I'm also hosting it with my African team, and I'm going to teach y'all how you can take $500 one time with this plan right here, this Infinity DJAC plan, right? Invest it $500 one time, and you can turn it into $80,000 profit if you just reinvest the profits, right? Okay, but this is the plan that I have, and just to show y'all, I do have plans active right now that are paying me. So I put 1,000 in there. I've made like 220, and like I said, the profits and withdrawals are very the accruals that come into my account are like on time. Like they show up like it's like they're timestamped like on this time, and they run off this server time. So whatever the server time is, that's when the profits come in right here. You can see it up here. That's when the profits. So you see every day at 5:19 in the morning, like I wake up when Monday through Friday. I already got paid today, but 125. So yeah, I'm running 2 of those reinvestment plans right now. I'm doing a big one with 2,500, which when I show you all the numbers on that, it's crazy. And then I'm also doing the 500. These are a smaller plan that I did initially with the Bitcoin. Testing out the system. When they did their first giveaway, you had to buy a $100 plan, and then you got entered into a giveaway. Unfortunately, I didn't win. I did, however, do a $500 one. I got entered into this one that they're having today. So praying to the Lord that I'm able to win one of these plans, because they're giving away about they're giving away about $200,000 in today's giveaway. But you can see the plans here. So these special plans, when you get the NFT, like don't waste them. But these are the plans I have. Current account balance, I have about $1,300 in here. But yeah, these profits just roll in. Deposits, withdrawals are very quick, and you all can see my transactions here. Like I have been withdrawing, like money's coming in. Withdraw. All right, you can see the withdrawals done. I've withdrawn about, I don't know, almost $1,000, right? But like I said, I'm reinvesting my profits. So you guys want to learn how you can take that $500 and turn it into $80,000 or whatever amount you put into that 5% plan, that Infinity DJAC plan. Check the links in the comment for the Zoom call that I'm hosting on Sunday, where I'm going to teach y'all how y'all can do that. And yeah, this is not a platform to be missed. There are people who are depositing $1 million, $300,000, $5 million, $2.5 million, like whatever number you can think of. People have been depositing and withdrawing. I've seen withdrawals 100,000. I think the maximum is 100,000. People are withdrawing the maximum, and this company is a great opportunity. They have a great referral program that goes 30 levels deep. Obviously, you got to reach certain levels to get that far, right? But you got to have certain cash flows to reach to the next rank. So I got to get 50,000 in cash flow to get to the next rank. My referral link will also be in the comments as well. But yeah, guys, come to the Zoom, learn how you can take advantage of this opportunity. It's very rare in the crypto space that we get opportunities like this. So you got to strike when the iron's hot. Get your money in, get your money out. And like I said, if I can pull off these plans, because these deposits here, I'm going to be reinvesting these. And when you see the numbers, you're going to be like amazed at how much you can profit reinvesting your profits. All right. So I hope to see y'all on the Zoom call. And like I said, this is Diamond DeFi, introduction to AI intuition. And I will see y'all in the next video.